Hello everyone, this is Erica with Everything Home by Kish. Today I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make a quick, super easy arrangement. It's for Easter. I started off with this vase. It's a very thick glass vase and I used the paint and baking soda technique. I also added this foam that you use to fill in cracks and other things. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it as a base. I'm gonna using this Dollar Tree bunny face as well as some carrots and this ribbon. I bought it from Craft Outlet. I bought the black and gray bunny ribbon. Very beautiful, very great quality. So I'm just gonna go ahead and attach the bow to the face of the bunny, and I use a popsicle stick to staple it and glue it as well with hot glue, so it's very sturdy, very secure. And again, it's gonna be a super easy arrangement. It looks so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and add some lamb's ear. I'm also gonna be adding some pearl berries. They're white, and some artificial tulips. They're nice and pink. They're gonna go with the bow very well. Very nice. And again, it's super simple arrangement. You can make it with any type of vase of your choice. This is just a simple idea. You can go ahead and add more or less. So here I added a stick as well to the carrots that I'm gonna be adding to the side of the bunny's face. And at this point, I'm not gluing anything down to the vase. In case I sell this, I'm gonna go ahead and glue everything, but as in for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it as is. And if it doesn't sell, I can go ahead and reuse the vase. So the two lamb ears that I'm gonna put on the back, they're taller than the ones I'm gonna be putting on the side. Again, very simple, not gluing everything. Look at the ones on the sides. They're just gonna be draping down. So you can go ahead and bend the lamb's ears on the back. And at this point, you can also use eucalyptus. You can use fern, anything that you have on hand. Something that's gonna look big and dramatic. So last but not least, I'm gonna be adding this pearl berries, a color white. And I mean, I think it looks very nice, very simple, very dramatic, very festive for the Easter. I hope you guys like it. Please go ahead and subscribe, comment, and see you soon. Thank you guys. Bye.